Hi guys, welcome back to Chats with Char. So as always, we're going to be chatting, playing with makeup. Today, as we've got a Christmas theme going on, I'm going to be doing a Christmas makeup look and talking about my new business that I've just started. So if you're interested and want to know more, or just watch me play with makeup or chat along with me, then please feel free to. And before we get on to the intro and the rest of the video, I just want to give a shout out to the comment of the day, which is Celeste Laura. She said, "I'm so nervous about COVID. News on COVID is never clear and it's so annoying, and it's the same news every day. By the way, loving your eye makeup." Thank you very much. That was from last week's episode, which was about COVID and stresses and anxiety with that. So if you haven't seen that already, then go check that out after this video. But shout out to you. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I really appreciate your comment. I feel the same way, as you know from the video, and thank you so much for saying you like my makeup. So let's get on with the video. Chats with Char. Oh, that was pretty good actually. First of all, as you can see by the title of this video, I have started off my own business. So it started about a week and a half ago. I decided I need some more cash. I'm joking, I don't need more cash, it's fine. No, I decided to start my own business because I am a very creative person. I feel like, as you know, like with my makeup and everything, I always have new ideas. I love creating things, I love making things, anything like that I really enjoy. So I started making polymer clay earrings. So basically with polymer clay, you create the earrings. You've got to kind of condition the clay a little bit first to make it nice and soft and moldable. You mold it into whatever you want, whatever design and stuff. You can add things in there, like some of mine have gold flakes and stuff, so you can do that. But you can also but once you've molded whatever you wanted to into the design, you then put it in the oven and cook it. And then when it comes out, it's hard, and then you can add the fastens on for the jewellery and stuff like that.
I'm going to have a poo, a smoke, and then I'm going to start. I'll be ready to go.
So basically, my brand is called Charrings. My boyfriend actually thought of the name, but it's pretty self-explanatory. My name is Charlie, and I'm creating earrings, so Charrings sounded cool, so we went with it. I sell them on Etsy, as you can see. I'm featuring them here. These are my little Christmas hats. I love them. I'm really proud that, you know, I've managed to already make some sales, and it all being through people that actually love my stuff instead of like family and friends. In a week and 1 day, we've received 280 followers on Instagram, which I'm really happy about. That's a lot of people. I've got a TikTok, my own email address, everything's set up, so it's all ready to go, and I'm really happy. I'm really happy with the response that I've got so far. The first thing that I did was I launched a Christmas collection which featured 8 earrings, all Christmas related. So we've got candy canes, we've got these Christmas hats, I've got some Christmas stars, I've got some knitted studs, some candy cane swirl studs, some elf hoops, candy cane hoops. So I've got loads of different earrings at the moment for the Christmas collection. I've got a couple more that's going to be added in December, so they're not out yet. But this week actually, so this is right now while I'm filming this is Monday, but up tomorrow when this video will be up, I will be on my 3rd day of launching my Black Friday launch. So the massive sale is on Black Friday weekend, and before that, this week I'm going to be launching new products every day up until Black Friday. So it's a big launch at the end. So today I released these ones. Actually, I've got them on me. These cute little black and gold flake studs. I'll put some pictures up on the screen anyway, but they got launched today, as well as some the bigger heart ones. They're like dangly ones as well. They've been launched today as well, and everybody that orders, just know that every time an order comes through, it makes me so happy. Whether it's 1 item, whether it's 3, 4 items, I just get so excited. So thank you everybody who's supported my business so far. Sunday I launched our donut earrings, and I think they look really cute, and they took a lot of attempts, but now I've perfected it, and I'll tell you the ones for Tuesday, which will be the day this video goes up. They're not launched just yet, but when this video is up, they will be launched, and they are bumblebees, and I think they are so bloody cute. But yeah, so they are launching today, so go check out my Instagram. Everything will be below in the description. I sell on Etsy, so my Etsy link, my Instagram, my TikTok, my emails will all be linked down below if you're interested in buying any of my earrings. And by the way, I still have the bloody green roots, but I bought the hair dye yesterday, so hopefully by next week's Chats with Char it will be gone. But you know, it's a little festive, I suppose. So another thing I did, I just wanted to do something to make other people happy. So I always think about doing these things, but I never have the money. But now I've actually got an opportunity to do it, I literally jumped on it straight away, because it just makes me happy to see other people happy. And I don't think enough people do things like this. I mean, it's not everybody's cup of tea, but basically what I did, I spent an entire day, so 10 hours, creating candy cane earrings. I did a massive batch of them, so it took me, well, like I said, 10 hours, so it took me a lot of time. I basically live in this little, I'm not sure what you'd call it, but this little area where it's like a circle in the middle of our houses with this big tree, and then there's a church and just a few houses around. So there's actually 11 houses around and our house. So I decided for all of my neighbours, most of them are elderly, like pretty much all of them are elderly, and they're all really nice, so I decided to create a bunch of candy cane earrings, and then I just wrote them all like a nice little note, and I posted it through their doors. So I made them earrings, I put it all in nice packaging and everything, wrote them a note, and just basically said that it's a little early Christmas gift, well, just a Christmas gift, and it doesn't need to be for anything, it's something nice, isn't it? Imagine, I was just thinking, you know, if someone posted through some Christmas earrings through my door, I'd be so happy, and I'd be like, how nice is that? So I just thought I wanted to do that, you know, it would make me feel good being nice to other people, and I wasn't expecting anything back. I didn't want anything back. I don't want any orders. I mean, orders would be lovely, but I didn't do it for that. I didn't like expect any orders. I didn't expect anything from it. I just wanted to give to them because I think it's nice. As I imagined, they were all really nice. A lot of them responded back. So one of my neighbours at the end, she sent me back a hat that she knitted and also a bracelet that she made and said thank you. Another neighbour actually sent me £10 through the post, and I was like, I felt so guilty. I was like, you don't need to, but she said she wanted to pay for hers because she really liked them, and she actually ended up contacting me and asking if I could fix a pair of her earrings that she currently owns. So I fixed them, and she wanted to pay, but I just said I'd just do it for free just because I don't mind doing it. So I fixed her earrings, and then she asked me to fix another 5 pairs of earrings. So I helped her with that as well, and I fixed all them, and I was really happy that I got to help her. And another neighbour come over today. It was so sweet. He's elderly. He went to the shop, especially just to get me a card. And he said how thankful he is, and that his wife is bedbound, but she said how thankful she is for them, and they gave me £5 as well and a card, and I thought that was the nicest thing. They got me a Christmas card. And then my next door neighbour, her daughter actually came over this morning and knocked on the door and wanted a pair of my earrings. So it was actually really easy. I just got her the basket with all my earrings that were already packaged up, ready to go. And she just picked out which ones she wanted and paid me in cash, which was easy. And then she also asked me to make her some custom ones, which I can do. If you want that, just message me on Instagram or something and I can definitely do that. She wanted these Christmas hats but with the green parts to be white, so I'm going to make them tomorrow for her, and she's going to come pick them up whenever, so that's good. I just want to say a shout out to Zara, who's my boyfriend. Well, I guess she's my friend, but I mean, she's my boyfriend's best friend's girlfriend. She was my first sale, and she's really been supportive ever since I launched this brand. And you know, she lives so far away from me, but still she's been so supportive, and much more supportive than my friends that are around me in Plymouth. I'm not sure I would call them quite friends anymore, because when it comes to like my makeup and my passions and stuff like my business, they haven't got much interest. So you know, and I'm sure they won't be watching this video anyway because, you know, like I said, not very supportive. I'm very thankful for people like Zara who has supported me from the very beginning, and she didn't have to, and a lot of other people as well who have supported me, whether you've just commented or purchased something. Like, I'm so grateful, and it honestly makes me so happy seeing every comment, any order, anything. Now that I've got over the fact that I don't have very supportive friends, I feel like I was way too focused on that, and now I'm like over it, and now I feel really good about it, and I feel like I don't need them. I just went on a bit of a rant about my friends being rubbish, and a shout out to Zara, but I didn't shout out my boyfriend, who has been the most supportive person ever. He shared every single thing I've done. He's helped me with some of the actual earring design ideas, like these ones. This was actually his idea for the black and the gold flakes. He's just really helped me out. So this is the finished makeup look. I hope you like my earrings and like my new launch, and I've got so much exciting things in the future. We've got mystery boxes that's already up. Actually, we've got Christmas mystery box, got the whole Christmas collection that you can buy as a whole. It's all up on Etsy, remember, but also if you don't have Etsy or for some reason you can't order on there, feel free to DM me on Instagram because I'm also taking orders through there. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed, guys, and thanks for watching, thanks for listening, thanks for listening to my little rant, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye!